I've always said it's not good for somebody. You wake up in the morning, you wake up in the afternoon, you wake up, you just comment without really knowing fully what has happened. I never. It was Mr. President approval that said, look, the movement should be restricted because of security report that people are trying to bring in hoodlums. Mr. President said this is what should happen, not to me. And he did not even read the speech. Just to tell you, busybody. I mean, I've always said, it's not everything you must comment. If you must comment, go and find out actually what happened. If you look at it, by the approval of Mr. President, he has said restriction from 8 p.m. on Friday, and that people should have a work-free day so that they can go back to their various area councils and participate in the electoral process. And this is not the first time, but you see, people who want to, with all due respect, and I've always said so, people like Falana must not always comment just because you want to comment. Comment on something you know about. Comment on something you have facts. You can't just wake up, you hear somebody say this without even you verifying, investigating before you make comment. That's not the way it is. It's not a popularity show. It's not a popularity show. And people like Falana should sometimes calm down and investigate this thing they said. Is it correct? It's not correct. I'm a minister working under the president, and the president gave approval. So I did not impose coffee. The president has power to say, look, from so time to so time, that should not be based on intelligence and security reports. What's happened in Abuja, as far as I'm concerned, the FCT is to show that when there are good works, people will always appreciate it. This is the first time where a ruling party, a government, have won not only most of the cities, but even in the villa. It has never happened. And what has made me happy today is that his touch in the satellite towns is unprecedented. When you go to the satellite towns, you can't believe what is there. People who have not seen the impact of government and say, can this really be true? And it is his politics and his attempt to make sure that they're giving people back their hope. And that is what has led to the victory of APC today in FCT.